Good morning, guys. We are Nuwara Eliya, Sri Lanka today, and we're going to be taking you through 24 hours through this beautiful city. We've been here for a few days now, and honestly, the weather has been just so beautiful and relaxing that we just took a couple of days to take it in. We went on some joy rides with the motorbike, and Daniel has had a lot of fun thinking he's a motorcycle racer already, taking me through super tight turns. Oh, responsibility. And we're ready to go. The weather in Nuwara Eliya has been totally stunning. It's been like a brisk 57 degrees Fahrenheit. It almost feels like Florida fall, which we really miss from being back home. And it's so green. You're like going through mountain valleys and seeing people's backyards, which are super floral and gardeny and beautiful, and the people here are so lovely. I cannot wait to show you around.
Okay, sorry guys, so the music has stopped so I can actually talk. We have made it to Themparadu, which is an amazing restaurant and coffee shop here in Nuwara Eliya. And guys, the people who own it are amazing. The food's incredible and the coffee is great. So we're gonna grab some coffee. Sorry, this is kind of quick, but then we're gonna grab the coffee and actually go to the park because this restaurant also overlooks the park. So if you guys are coming here, this is a must stop to eat and to get coffee. And they have a delicious mango shake. It's all good. They can't do anything wrong.
Ayubowan, so we've gotten our coffee. And it's really nice. We ate it at Themparadu, which we actually ate here on the first day that we were here, and the food was delicious. If you come here, have either their beef and cheese kotsu, which is incredible, and it's a little creamy, and I think you can even ask for things vegan. I know our friend Sarah that we were actually talking to back in the coffee shop, she had it vegan and she said it was delicious. I had their Themparadu of poke something. I don't remember the name of it, but it has like mango and pineapple. Trust me, if you have that, you're not gonna be disappointed. And the prices are very reasonable. But probably my favorite part out of all of this is the fact that it's super close to Victoria Park and you can just walk in here and experience this beautiful park.
Tickets for...
We've never gotten tickets to enter Victoria Park.
Oh, sorry we had to stop that. Apparently you have to pay to get in. It's not much, but literally like every day we've been here, you just...
walk in.
Walk in, so...
Haven't been stopped once.
Yeah, but it also...
another entrance. Ah, this is the main entrance.
Ah, so
Maybe
I guess we've been...
trip you up.
I guess we've been taking the side entrance.
Ah, well, hi. We're gonna take the side entrance again.
Ooh, sorry.
So
I try not to hit people. Okay, so apparently you do have to pay to get in. So I guess we're gonna pay to get in. Last time, for some reason, we were just able to walk by and no one said anything.
It's 300 rupees.
300 rupees?
Yeah.
Do you want to?
Sorry we didn't show you guys this yesterday. Inside, it's really just a garden. It has some trees. It's really pretty to just sit down and walk, but it doesn't look any different than a park that you'd go anywhere else to.
Yeah.
So, up to you whether you want to come here. We're actually going to continue and show you some other really beautiful places in Nuwara Eliya. So, we'll catch you on the bike.
So before we actually get on the bike, I want to give a big thank you to Bike Rental Sri Lanka. We'll put their information down below, but they hooked us up with this awesome bike. It's a 200cc Damro DMZ, and this thing has turned like a beautiful, powerful kitten. So anyways, on the bike, I kind of weirded myself out with that own phrase. So I'm gonna stop talking. Motorbiking through Sri Lanka has been such a blast. Honestly, I do wish we would have had a little less stuff, but there was like no way for us to do that. But if you guys are coming here with like just a backpack, you would have no problem renting a motorbike and driving through. The one thing I just do say is have experience and have your license.
Yes.
Like this isn't a place you come and learn where to ride.
Buses will eat you and they are not afraid of you.
Yeah, exactly. All right, anyways, to the next thing, which I don't know where we're going, so we're gonna figure that out right now.
Surprise! From the descension. I think that we are almost 9,000 feet in altitude, maybe 8,000 feet. And now we're going down the mountain because we have some waterfalls and a tea plantation that we want to show you, but it is just outside of Nuwara Eliya.
right, so we have literally just stopped off on the side of the road because this place is beautiful. As we're going through like the bends and turns, you're literally just overlooking all the tea plantations. And guys, check out this view. We couldn't pass it up. All right, well that was a cool 30 seconds. Time to get back on the bike. So we've made it to Thuruliya Hotel and Coffee Shop. This is a really nice place that has like a restaurant, a coffee shop next to it, and you can even rent a room overlooking this view, and it is incredible. I'm excited that we're back. This is one of the things that to do when here in Nuwara Eliya, and I didn't realize that we were just doing that on the way to Nuwara Eliya. But we actually ended up doing like a separate trip. We probably drive it for about, what, 40 minutes? Maybe 40 minutes, nothing bad. Around some beautiful roads. They have like small little waterfalls. It's really cool, and now we're like just in between the valley with lakes and 2 waterfalls next to us. It's beautiful. So we've chosen our spot wisely. We can stare at waterfall numero uno, and now we're gonna go order some coffee. So we'll be back when the coffee gets here.
Yesterday we had like a little bit of a sesh with some friends that we met over in the hostel, and it was great because we ended up being able to grab some espressos this morning because we weren't really worth a damn, to be honest.
Not at all. We woke up and we were like, oh, this is exactly why we don't drink.
Yeah. So the places that we are taking you today are a little bit outside of Nuwara Eliya. You can get here via tuk-tuk, private driver, or our favorite, the motorbike. It's just super easy to get around.
Yeah.
And you can stop off on all the beautiful waterfalls on the side of the road, which there are tons on the way here. And we're actually staring at Thuruliya Waterfall. It's just super pretty to look at from the restaurant that we're at. Again, Daniel had mentioned the name. It's called Dilution, I think.
It'll be linked down below.
Yeah, has pretty good food, makes real coffee from like actual coffee beans, which is really nice. And it's just peaceful and relaxing. After this though, we are going to be going to the Damro Tea Plantation, which, oh, so sorry. Thank you. We are going to the Damro Tea Plantation. Apparently it's not just free to enter, but free to do the tour and to taste a bunch of tea. And it's the largest producer of tea in Sri Lanka.
All right, so we have finished a delicious lunch, and unfortunately we have to say bye to this view. But I think we're gonna now try and get as close as we can to one of the waterfalls here.
Ramboda Waterfall.
Woo-hoo.
Show you this because this is exactly what driving through Nuwara Eliya's mountainsides looks like. Every 5 seconds you're passing through one of these gorgeous waterfalls on the side of the road, and they're not even like famous or crowded. You have them to yourselves. It's literally on the side of the road. It's awesome.
Time for more twisties. Woo-hoo.
So we tried going to Ramboda Falls. We could be going the wrong way, but honestly the road is really inhospitable. We're on our motorbike and it's very rocky. It's not paved at all. I think that people hike up here, but I think we're gonna have to skip it, guys. I'm sorry.
Oh, there goes Annette's phone.
Hello.
All right, so we have made it to the Tea Plantation Factory. Time to go inside and explore. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's nice standing up.
We're looking for the tour. Like
Factory tour, yeah?
Yeah.
They are starting there. Sunit, Priya, may group pe katta.
What time?
Just now.
Oh, okay. This is madness. Apparently the tea factory does free group tours, which is what we're doing now, and then at the end they let you taste all of the teas. And this is the biggest producer of Ceylon tea, which used to be the name for Sri Lanka.
Sorry.
They're drying all the leaves. Oh, this is cool. This is crazy. I've never seen anything like this.
Nice to meet you, all of you. Right, I'm Sunita.
Okay, if you guys are coming to Nuwara Eliya, you have to do this tea plantation tour. We've already learned so much. They grow 4 different varieties of tea: white, golden, black, and green here, and they employ over 6,000 employees every single day to pick the leaves. And right behind us are the drying vats. Apparently teas live up to 60 years, and if you plant it from a sampling, you can get it to live 150 years. And so this is the first step, I guess, out of 3 before they brew it into tea. So let's go check it. This is how they dry the tea in Sri Lanka. How neat. So I just learned about the fermentation process and the oxidation process for the tea leaves.
Finally, after fermentation, we transfer it to drying machine, and this is the tea dryer.
So we just finished the tour, and guys, it was so interesting. We got to see every step of the tea making process. As a matter of fact, on the way here, we saw the leaves being picked. When we got here, we saw the leaves getting dried, then fermented, and then being crushed up, dried again, and then packaged. Because apparently when they take them to Colombo, people from all over the world, I think it's Sri Lanka, the Middle East, and England, they come here to source their tea. And so anyway, now at the end of the tour, they give you a big pot of tea, which hopefully will be nice, fresh, and delicious. You guys should really come and do this. This is really awesome. On that note, guys, we hope that you enjoyed this beautiful tour of Nuwara Eliya in 24 hours. We really love this town and enthusiastically encourage you to come here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button so you can see the rest of our adventures around the world. And we will see you, my friends, on our next adventure.